Have you ever seen a cow with a hole in its back? This opening allows caretakers to reach inside and sometimes even release burning gas. The truth behind it can be unsettling. These animals are called fistulated cows. The opening leads directly to the rumen, the largest of the cow's 4 stomach compartments and the main site of fermentation. But why create such an opening? Not because of illness, but for scientific research. Caretakers periodically open the cover, collect partially digested feed, and study nutrients and microbial populations. This research helps design diets that improve growth and milk production. For the cow, however, the procedure can be painful. A surgical opening is made near the rib cage, and a cannula is inserted. Each time the cover is opened, bacteria may enter, raising the risk of infection. Medication or feed can also be delivered through the port. The flame sometimes seen comes from ignited methane. Grain-rich diets increase fermentation, producing large amounts of methane gas. If the gas accumulates, it can cause dangerous bloating. Traditionally, a needle is used to release it. In fistulated cows, the gas can be vented by opening the cap. Fistulated cows are part of animal experimentation, often linked to agricultural efficiency. Many other animals have also contributed to science. Some people view this as necessary and valuable. Others consider it deeply unethical. What do you think? Should animal experimentation be opposed?